AI files are created by Adobe Illustrator and they're vector-based files. Figma cannot export directly to the .ai format, but there is a simple workaround. Let's say you want to export a frame from Figma. Go to the Export panel and choose SVG. This is the best option because SVG is a vector format. PNG and JPG are raster formats which use pixels instead of vectors. Export the file as an SVG and save it to your computer. Next, open any reliable SVG to AI converter website. Drag and drop your SVG file into the converter and click Convert. Wait a few seconds for the process to finish, then download your converted AI file. Open the AI file in Adobe Illustrator and you'll see all layers and shapes preserved and fully editable. However, keep in mind, if you already have an SVG from Figma, you don't actually need to convert it. Illustrator can open SVG files directly and they remain fully editable. So converting to AI is optional. Only do it if you specifically need the .ai format. And that's how you export Figma designs to Adobe Illustrator.